For this recipe, you're going to need the following ingredients: half a cup of pine nuts, half a cup of almond flakes, half a cup of sultanas, half a cup of cashews, half a cup of walnuts, half a cup of macadamia nuts, 1 tablespoon of golden syrup, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Place all ingredients into a bowl and mix until thoroughly combined. Now place your mixture onto a pre-greased tray. Make sure you spread it out nice and even. Place your mixture into a preheated oven on 150 degrees Celsius, cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes until golden brown. You can find a copy of this recipe by following the links below in the description. If you like this recipe, like and subscribe to my channel.